What's going on, guys? Come back to another one. Today I am reacting to the most feared rugby team in the world. I reacted to the South African version. That was Springboks. Yeah, I think they're called Springboks. This is the All Blacks, and I think they're a team in New Zealand. I'm just gonna react. I don't have much to say, but I'm wondering why both of them are called the most feared rugby team. So it's probably an intense, rivalry going on there. Hey. Ooh. There's something about the haka. When you hear it and you witness it, it sends chills down your spine. Like, I'm experiencing something. You get what I mean?
Caleb Clark, and I know whether you want to be kicking to this fellow, because he'll hurt you big time. Caleb Clark thundering down towards the 22, and still going. Amazing run from the young winger.
Who is that person?
Caleb Clark thundering down towards the 22, and still going. Amazing run from the young winger. It's put the All Blacks deep inside Wallaby territory.
And he still passed it.
He's in. What a brilliant drive by the All Blacks. Oh, what are we witnessing here?
How do you barge into someone and then be the one to bounce off? I've noticed the trend. Anyone that barges into these guys just end up flying back. Wait, the physics is not physicsing on that one, because how do you barge into someone this way and then get spun off this way? That is crazy. Got barged into this way and then just rolled off like mad.
Brilliant taken now. The Brits are in all sorts of trouble. On it goes to Salvia. See you later.
Even the celebration is violent.
Smith. Touching his way through beyond the 10-metre line. TJ Paramari solves the dummy. Salah hits the ball away as well.
That feint. That feint is.
Smith.
Oh.
Touching his way through beyond the 10-metre line. TJ Paramari solves the dummy. Salah hits the ball away as well.
That's fine.
Paranara, but once more they're on the boot. Yolani's getting away. And now into the corner. Goes Paranara. Tiptoeing his way down the touchline.
Wait, does that count though? Like, does that count? Because I don't know if that's in or out.
Way down the touchline.
This is number is it number 11? Number 11. Yeah, I've noticed. Yeah, he's so explosive.
Goes Paranara, tiptoeing his way down the touchline.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how do you play against this guy? How do you play against, because you take down one and then there's another beast coming towards you, and it's just
because he senses it on out left. Here's Ioane stepping back, lovely ball away to Bridge, taken by the cover. But here come the All Blacks again. Beauden Barrett runs into a big hole, riding the tackles, and then throws. Oh, what a sensational piece of play!
And then there is one with speed.
And Jacobson profits with the try.
Oh, they crushed him.
And it's New Zealand.
This guy is fast.
And it's New Zealand kicking off through Beauden Barrett. An early touch and an absolutely ferocious shot.
Now the crossnet boy, we've seen some of these today, and it's worked brilliantly again. There's the pace of Rieko Ioane. I think he's going to do everybody here. Rieko Ioane, what a try. Yes!
And they all fast over, like, because
See if Marlow playing under advantage here is Leonard.
that speed is insane.
Over the top and scoring.
But is that not a foul? He does, like, in football that's a foul, like, definitely.
I don't know whether he's got the post, McKenzie. And McKenzie cuts him down.
Damien McKenzie.
All Blacks win the penalty. Oh, Damien McKenzie.
Penalty. But he took him down, and how's the penalty? I don't get it.
You can't train pace. Up and goes to Clark. All Blacks inside their own 22.
Oh.
Tom Wright goes
Oh, so good. Caleb Clark. Tom Wright hit out on my way.
There it is. Well, it's Skinner. They're closing. But he's got Northern Barrett. Oh, you've got to be kidding. Goodness me, that is brilliant.
No. That is top 10 coldest moment.
He's got Northern Barrett.
How did they spun their heads there?
They win it down the back to Akira Ioane. Barrett stepping and breaking into some space. Still on his feet. Rico Ioane. Still going. Gets the offload away. Oh, what a try. Artie Salvia's in.
Hey!
They always know how to cover up for each other. It's just... I like the way they jump and then land with the ball.
So George Bauer on the field in 17. Little kick into space. Jordan's after it. He's got it. Will Jordan. Oh, he is quite sensational.
This guy's quick.
Put the ball here now. Kane quickly through the hands. Drew Master. Caleb Clark busting onto it. Breaking tackles. Caleb Clark. So hard to
my
stop.
God.
And that's the perfect
He's
start to
number
the second
11,
half.
man. You must hate playing against him. He reminds me of Haaland, where like when it comes to strength, there's nothing you can do. There's just nothing you can do to stop him.
Six and a half remaining. Marinara for number one.
Oh,
Close tournament by Leonard. Round on he goes. Anton Leonard round.
wow.
It's been a few years though. Yeah. Jordy Barrett dribbles it through. Here's Reese. Now, can he win the race? I reckon. What a try.
Wow. How much does this guy
That was
entertain
actually
you?
so
He
good.
just does not die wondering.
That even in football, that is phenomenal. Like even in football, I don't think you want to fight this guy.
Looking for some more runners and Farnswagen, who puts Leonard Brown into again. Now there's a chance for Ioane. Slings a world pass beautifully. Pulled in now Retallick. Retallick to Havili. Away it goes for Savia. Now Reese. Oh, what a try that is. Seven Reese. And the All Blacks score.
That's mad.
Wallaby ball. Short line out for Iggy. Delivers quickly. Oh, McDermott. No. Absolutely no.
How did he just? Did you see how he brought him down? Like he didn't even give him space to breathe.
Dudley with Papali'i. Bouncing out of the tackle. Here's Savia on the chance. He's got Jordan with him. Delivers the pass. Will Jordan scores his inevitable try. Oh, that's close. Goes the long pass to Reedy Mate. Oh, it's big for
How do you not fall after that amount of impact? Like how do you keep going? Is his size not a disadvantage for him?
Advantage, force it offside, little chip ahead from Morga. Balls into the hands of Jordan. Richie Morga, the step, losing his footing. But on pressing them off and he's in. Richie Morga.
one by England. Intercept. Dalton Papali'i. Looks like he's
The
got the
interception.
pace. And he has. And the All Blacks in
Oh,
early.
that's a howler. That's the howler. I don't know who did that, but
And the All
I
Blacks in early.
messed up.
This time going high. Easily, nicely taken by Morga. Turning it back on the inside. Two player, they're breaking tackles. Whitelock moves it on to Jacobson. Well, trouble early on here for Tonga. Busting through is Papali'i. He's away.
Wow.
Banks, he's got good pace, Tom Banks. Still going. They chase him down, Ioane, and he goes into half.
He brings it in for about 8 yellows in the national rugby. And he will try and cash in on his exits. The arm goes out from the referee. Smith swings the pass away, and Rico Ioane has it.
Wow.
Straight in territory. Taylor gets it around Pines Bridge. Puts him in a big game. Swings it up to Aaron Smith. Smith and White, the two halfbacks. Smith returns. Aaron Smith and a 6.
Wait, how is he all? You know what? After that impact, I expected him to be like, oh no, I'm not okay. I'm injured, because that's how it is in football. Right? After this kind of impact, you're like, oh no, he broke my leg. He broke my head, and he's just there like, yes, he's celebrating.
Aaron Smith and a 6.
That's cold.
Now coming again for Aaron Smith. Running hard as it will, Jordan much more. That's it out to Taylor. Aaron Smith's out.
No.
There's Perenara feeds. Good stadium scrum. Gets it up to Jordy Barrett. Feeds it up to Julian Salvier. Pass inside to Perenara. Loves a little pepperoni.
Wow.
This time it's Jordan, just on his own side of halfway. Been really good, Will Jordan. Now he tries to do it himself. If it sits up,
No.
it does.
No.
Again. This time it's Jordan, just on his own side of halfway.
The way he started his run, and it was like, it's alright guys, it's calm. No need to be rough with each other. And then he just...
Again. This time it's Jordan, just on his own side of halfway.
It's alright,
Been
he just
really
goes.
good, Will Jordan. Now he tries to do it himself.
And how do you
just on his
give
own
up
side of halfway.
this
Been
amount of
really good, Will Jordan.
advantage? Like, you have this amount of advantage, and he catches up in like, I don't know how many seconds, 2 seconds.
Now he tries to do it himself. If it sits up,
No.
it does. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
He cooked him. Wow. I don't know, man. Last week I watched the most feared rugby team. At least that was my opinion at the time. And now I think I've seen another one. I don't know. That is just crazy. This team, I'm speechless. How does someone barge into you, and then the person that barges into you bounces off? Like, not once, not twice, not 3 times. And that's like the trend in the team. You must hate playing against them. I wonder what their win percentage is, and how often they win, how often they lose, how many cups they've won. I'm sure people will put in the comment section like this information, so please do put in the comment section, and do suggest more videos, rugby videos, for me to watch. I'm new to rugby, and this is actually fascinating. I'm enjoying it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.